cat. Laundry bag on my back. It started raining while I was in there, so I like missed the rain. In case you wanted a little OOTD, I'm more than happy to like flex on you, you know what I mean? I'm going to dump out all of the clothes on my bed. I have an audition to do. Yay! That'll happen later. But as of right now, it's laundry time. All right, you guys ready to see all of my underwears, my undergarments? Yeah. Someone can kill me. So I was in, I wouldn't say a depressive state because I've been depressed. If we really want to get into that, this is like a real talk video. I was depressed like 2 years ago or something. I was like just not feeling myself. I was really depressed all the time. I didn't know what made me happy. And so I turned to food. That's where all of our eating disorder stuff comes into play. I actually do have a video that I recorded on my eating disorder, but I never finished editing it entirely, so it's just sitting halfway edited or a quarter of the way edited. I think it's halfway edited. Look at my Spider-Man underwear from Walmart. Stand and love. Why the fuck am I showing you my underwear? I normally never fold my clothes like this. I normally tackle them by like group. This cup goes here. Did you guys love playing this game if you're a woman and you have to find,
oh, which bra does the fucking missing cup go to?
Yeah, that's not really a fun game. It's honestly really tedious. I never do that when an ambulance goes by. If you guys have any new Netflix, not new Netflix recommendations, if you have any Netflix recommendations for me, I finally talked my mom into getting us a Netflix account. So Grace, we no longer have to use yours. You probably didn't even know we were using it, but we were. I want a cat. I think I said that while I was walking, and it was a very random statement. And I will touch more base on it right now. I want a cat. That is also where that statement ends. I think I want a cat because my best friend has the most adorable cat. You've seen her in some videos before. The cat, not the person. You've seen her too. I love them and I love their little relationship. It's literally a mother and a child relationship. That's what I had with our dog in Georgia. And I was like, guys, like, I want a cat. Is this inside out? I'll put this detergent away, probably take a piss, and then make some lunch. So let's do that. We have our quinoa left over from our cooking video. That's an angle. Bowl and a fork. Shit up in the microwave. So, yeah. Follow my healthy Instagram, like you already know. I normally put everything that I cook, like ingredients, like how to make it and all that shit. I normally put it on that Instagram, so just keep up with that and you're golden. So what I'm gonna do, that was unnecessarily loud, but what are you using all of my lettuce? Yeah, washing your hands is such an inconvenience. Holy shit. Bruh, get out of there. What the fuck? My hands are a fucking mess now. But I got it. Let's see if these potatoes are warm. Nope, still cold. Why are these potatoes black? Not that I have anything against a black potato as opposed to a non-black potato. I'm gonna stop talking now. So you wanna do when you're done shoveling food in your face like a fucking pig is sprinkling some cheese. I stopped eating cheese straight out the bag the second after I made another YouTube video because I realized how fucking disgusting it was. Gotta find a way to add some quinoa and chicken to this without making a huge mess. I swear to God, every time I make bowls, I always look like a fat fuck because it looks like I'm like loading that shit in there. But I promise I'm not.
Oh, this shit slaps.
I'm gonna look over my audition that I have to tape. It's literally only one line, like it's not a big deal. Filmed that. I did a little Italian accent, so that was probably racially insensitive. But now we're gonna have an iced coffee because it's 3 o'clock in the afternoon. I actually want to get my nails done, but I can't afford that, so I might just paint them on my own. But we're back in the kitchen, which is basically the living room anyway, because I'm gonna make some coffee, but I haven't really made my own pot of coffee. I know, it sounds weird, but I'm used to using a Keurig, and my mom showed me how to make coffee and everything, but I low-key may have forgotten. So we're just gonna put you on the stove. Oh shit. Looks like you're not gonna be on the stove. Oh shit, am I supposed to like throw this away? It smells good. It looks like a bag of dog shit. You just put one of these thin little bad boys in there. Oh, and then where's the bean? Where's the good kush? I deadass spent like 20 minutes of like raw unedited footage looking for some coffee, and I just couldn't find it. So to my roommate, I'm sorry, but I had to go in the freezer and grab your coffee. We gotta do what we gotta do sometimes, you know? So we're just gonna do 6 tablespoons because I want 6 cups. All right, now we're gonna close the lid. We're gonna plug it in. Oh my god. Do you hear the little pitter patter? That's coffee dripping. I'm so proud of myself for being so strong and for resisting the urge to go to any of the remarkable coffee houses around town, which there are many of, and instead make my own because I'm broke as fuck and I know that I just don't have the money to be spending on coffees. What the fuck is on my head right now? Okay, I don't know how these girls do cute buns and they just like wrap their hair around itself. This is what fucking sprouts on the top of my fucking head. Look at this. So my head's gonna explode, but like, my coffee's ready, yay! The glass is hot. And so's the coffee, but honestly, that's low-key refreshing. If you don't like coffee, I don't know. I don't really want to waste a sentence on you. I can't watch a movie and make content for you, but I can watch a movie. And have that be that. So, yeah, that,